It's important to note that as the criteria for eligibility widened, the supply of vaccine didn't. And so we find ourselves where demand has ballooned, but the availability of the vaccine has become stagnant and actually has been reduced. The New York State typically receives around 300,000 vaccines a week from the federal government, and this week it was reduced to 250,000 vaccines. So think about 250,000 vaccines spread across all of New York State and only being available to the select criteria that I've previously shared. So basically, how does the vaccine supply chain work? Well, simply put, Memorial is notified each week of how many doses we expect to receive. And there's no guarantee that we'll receive any for a particular week. We're only given 24-hour notice when it will arrive, and we're also told how much would be available for an initial dose and how much would be available for second doses. They have to be completely dispensed within a week of receipt. So whatever we receive, we have to put shots in the arm right away. And if we don't utilize all of the vaccine that we receive, the following week they could actually eliminate the allocation to us. So it's very important for us to be very expeditious in putting the shot in the arm. And quite frankly, that's why there isn't a lot of advance notice when we schedule these vaccine clinics, because they have to be scheduled right away within 24 hours of us receiving the vaccine. So once we receive the vaccine, we then put out a notice with the link that we share with you, and we'll share with you again on our website, which will essentially put the schedule of clinics and time slots available within the New York State link, again, that we will share with you. I would point out on a positive note that we have vaccinated over 3,400 individuals so far and counting. And for those that are due second doses, please rest assured we have all of those second doses available. So if you were administered a Pfizer dose, 21 days later, you're already pre-registered in our system to receive the second dose. For those of you that received the Moderna dose, 28 days later, you're already pre-registered. We have that vaccine available for you to receive your second dose on time. Interestingly, the Governor Cuomo, shared in one of his press conferences some of the best performing health systems in New York State for administering the vaccine in an expeditious manner. Very pleased to say that Niagara Falls Memorial Medical Center was on that slide as one of the best performing hospitals in the region and in the state with respect to getting that vaccine administered quickly, putting shots in the arm. So in summary, since March, we have cared for over 600 individuals that have tested positive for COVID and had suffered serious illness. And we do celebrate every single day. We celebrate the victory for each and every one that recovers. And we give our thoughts and prayers to the families for their loved ones that don't.